my god. Good morning, guys. It's Desra. I look pretty rough today, but anyways, I had a weird nightmare last night that Chucky was chasing me with a knife, and there's a fence, and I bashed his head on there, but in my dream. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a great morning, and let's follow me on my day. So today I'm probably gonna do a makeup video for you guys because I don't really do makeup videos. And guys, look at these bangs. Like, my bangs are supposed to look like this. My bangs are supposed to look like that. Ugh. And then they look like this. Like, boy. And then I also fell asleep with my makeup last night, so I look pretty rough. But anyways, let's glow up with me today. And I also have to clean up my room. My room looks pretty messy. I'll show you guys right now. So pretty much my room looks a hot mess. And yeah, I gotta clean it. Right. So therefore, you guys will follow me on my day or whatever. And today, I honestly, guys, don't know what to order off, like, BoredWalk. So I'm debating if I should get a new camera or if I should buy a bunch of makeup. But anyways, follow me on my day, and yeah. I'm so boring, guys. I look freaking ugly as heck. But you know, when I take a shower and put on my makeup, I look better. But yeah, this is how I look when I wake up. JK, I don't really look like this all the time. I left my makeup on from last night. But anyways, here is my room. So here is my room, all clean, guys. Like, ooh, look at that. And then, peep, I'm watching something on YouTube. And I'm debating what kind of makeup I'm going to do for today. And then there's my, you know, whatever. And then here's an overview of my vanity. It looks like that. And I also clean my closet, guys. Like, don't mind my little mini towel that I have for my hair. But yeah, here's my closet. It looks so much better. And then all my shoes. These are actually not all my shoes. Most of my shoes are in the basement. But yeah, peep, my cute handbags. And then again, like, I love my vanity, guys. I love it so much. And I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. And then, yeah, and also the vanity tour for this video will be coming up soon. You thought. Okay, so right now, here's my bare face, and I have my hair in this really light towel because I don't want to put like the regular towels on my head because I don't want to damage my hair because I just cut it. But anyways, we're gonna put on makeup. Hey guys, so right here I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows, and right now I'm in front of my vanity mirror, my small one, but here I'm going with some dip brow, and I'm just gonna be filling in my brows. My brows are not threaded or anything, but yeah. So I start off at the end of my brows to make the little sharpness, and then I just ombre it to the front. So once I'm done, I'm just going to do the next brow, and you guys will see how it looks. And it looks really good in my opinion, and then I just start blending it up to the front. Alright guys, so pretty much this is what your eyebrow should look like. If I put the stuff up, you can see it. So pretty much that's how my eyebrow looks like when it's filled, and I have like really bad eyebrows. So let me show you like how it actually looks. Like, here's the difference of my brows. Like, let's focus that. Can you guys pretty much see my eyebrows now? Yeah, they're like super thin, and I have no hair. I don't pluck them, I thread them or anything. But yeah, look at that fleekiness, like, ooh. So 2 minutes later, after I'm done with my brows, I decided that
Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with my Forever 21 concealer under my eyelids, and I'm going to be using this shade right here because, you know, the brighter, the better your eyeshadow will look. And then also I'm going to be going in with these free brushes I got. I only, out of like 80 of the makeup brushes I have, I only use these two right here. And then also I'm going to be going in with this Beauty Glazed Impressed You makeup palette. This is from Amazon. I got this for free. If you guys want to see that unboxing and how I got this for free, be sure to check out the link below of the newest video of how I got this. But anyways, these are the shades here, and it reminds me of the Jaclyn Hill palette. And these shades are so beautiful and so pigmented. And anyways, let's get right into this look.
So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my little concealer brush, and I'm going to get concealer and apply it to my eyelids. I was going to say eyebrows, but I am applying it to my eyelids. And here I'm just going to make it as white as I can to get that great pigmentation for the eyeshadow. So now I'm just going to do the same to the other eyelid and just keep going along. Make sure you get along the edges, because if you don't get in the corners of your eye, it's not going to look as good. So now I'm just blending everything together, and I used about 5 different pats. I patted down the little concealer thing to get it right in there. And now I'm just going to go in with some eyeshadow. This is a free palette I got from Amazon. If you guys are interested in freebies, be sure to check out the app Verydice, BoredWalk. I get free stuff off so many stuff, guys, so it's pretty hard to tell. But now I'm just going in by the corner with this pink color, and I'm going in with the next eyelid with the next one. Alright, and then now I'm going with my second color, and then I will be going in with my third color. I used 3 colors for this, and then I ombre it with an orange. And the reason why I have my hair like this is because I just cut it and I don't want to damage it. So far the look is coming together, and yeah, don't mind that noise. I was watching this video of a song, and then that came up from the song that I'm listening to. Keep in mind, the song is called Put Your Head on My Shoulder, and it's a remix, and then they happened to put that, and now I'm going to replay the music all over again, so, you know, you can go with the flow. And now the blend is coming in together. Like, look at that. So I'm loving it so far.
Alright, so I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna set this here really quick, but alright. I'm loving this like look right now. Like, oh my gosh, look at that blend. Alright, are you guys seeing this? I'm loving it. It's like pink to orange. Orange to pink, actually. Let me show you guys the other view. Like, I am living for this. Ah. Do you guys like it? I like it. Let me turn this off because I feel like this does not do any work. I love this look. I'm loving it. Oh, that's a little bit too bright. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. liquid liner. It actually broke. But anyways, I'm gonna take down my hair before I even do any of that. Ugh. Alright, so eyeliner is done. That took me like about a minute and 20 seconds, probably. But how are you guys liking this? I like it so much. But anyways, let me put on the next one, and then I'm gonna blow dry my hair so you guys can see the overall look. So pretty much this is how the look looks like, and what do you guys think about it? I'm so ugly, but oh, I feel like with these bangs are killing it because it takes away from the look, but maybe if I have my hair up, we'll see. So this is the look, guys. I hope you guys like this video. What is that in my window?